Understanding Pet Grooming, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a term that pet owners might find quite familiar: pet grooming. It's not just about keeping your pets looking their best, but also about their health and hygiene. So, let's explore what this phrase really means and why it's important for our furry friends. Pet grooming refers to the cleaning and hygienic care of a pet, often, but not exclusively, dogs and cats. This process can include brushing, bathing, hair trimming, nail clipping, and ear cleaning. It's an essential part of pet care that ensures your pets stay clean, comfortable, and healthy. Grooming is not just about appearance. It's crucial for health reasons. Regular grooming can prevent problems such as excessive shedding, skin and paw disorders, matted hair, and dental issues. It's also a chance for groomers to check for signs of illness or other health concerns. There are various tools and techniques involved in pet grooming, such as brushes, combs, clippers, and grooming tables. Each tool has a specific purpose, whether it's removing loose hair, entangling knots, or giving a comfortable haircut. Learning the correct techniques is important to ensure a safe and enjoyable grooming experience for your pet. While some pet owners choose to groom their pets at home, others prefer professional help. A professional groomer is trained to handle pets safely and perform grooming tasks efficiently. They know how to cater to different breeds and their specific grooming needs. We hope this video has been informative and given you a clearer understanding of what pet grooming involves. It's a wonderful way to care for your pets, ensuring they're not only looking good but feeling great too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll discuss more interesting English phrases and their meanings.